Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or delete your Discord account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Discord application on your mobile phone or on your computer. And then you're going to go to the user setting, click on this menu. And then you're going to go to my account and scroll down, and then you will find the account removal, and here you can choose either you want to disable your account or delete your account. Disabling your account means you can recover it at any time after taking this action, but if you delete the account, you need to make another account to join Discord, and your deleted account will be removed forever. Okay guys, and that's all about the account removal in Discord application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!